Are you looking for an easy-to-use software that can store and retrieve all your financial data in just a few clicks? If the answer is yes, then I have good news for you. Presenting to you, Microsoft Excel. Excel is the most popular program for managing and reporting data. This is largely due to its availability. All computers with Windows have Microsoft Excel installed in them. It is also available on macOS on different mobile devices. With the latest version of Office, Office 365, Excel has become available online. This means that users have access to the program from a range of devices, from almost any location. Microsoft Excel is used by over 1.2 billion people on the planet, and if you don't know how to use it yet, then you're missing out big time. So that is why I created a step-by-step video series on how to use this powerful software to grow your business to the next level. If this interests you, scroll down this page below to discover more about it and learn how I can help you get started fast.